Hello and welcome back to the Waterside Holiday Group. Today we are at Chesil Beach Holiday Park in Weymouth with views over Portland. I have got this stunning 2024 Willerby Brookwood that I would love to show you around. Check out the size of the drive and this decking before we head on in. Where this pitch is on the end of a row, we actually have around 11 feet width by about 12 foot length. So this is the perfect seating area in the sun for you in the mornings and evenings. As you walk in, you might actually recognize this holiday home because we did have a 35 foot by 12 Willerby Brookwood for sale at Bowley's Cove. This is a 38 foot by 12, but if you want to check out the other video, just click the link here and it will take you back to the one at Bowley's Cove. But while we're here, let me show you the difference. You have got a much bigger space in the front room, no fireplace, so you've got more storage above and below the TV. You also have a really nice large radiator in the front room. You have a long sofa, and this sofa does have a pull-out sofa bed, so this does sleep 6. This holiday home is a 2024, and this is a really great holiday home to be able to let for many more years. This is a great rental caravan. In the kitchen, you have a slim-line dishwasher and ample storage for all your pots, pans, cutlery, crockery. You've even got more storage this side with your built-in microwave and your fridge freezer, leading you to this lovely 4-seater dining area. In addition to the 4-seater dining table, you actually have these 2 breakfast bar stools here as well, so you can sit 6 people. One other thing I really like about this holiday home is this music system. You actually have Bluetooth speakers that you can connect to your phone or other devices. As you head to the back of the holiday home, the first room we have on your right is the twin room. Really great full-length wardrobe with lots of overhead storage. You then have your master bathroom. You've got your shower, your toilet and wash hand basin. And then taking you to the main difference between the 35 foot and the 38 is the size of this room. It's absolutely massive. You've got a king size double bed that lifts up with underbed storage. Look at the amount of wardrobe space you have here, space for yourselves to get ready, and your own ensuite toilet. So if you want to come and view this holiday home in person, please call us on 01305 836 836 or click the link below.